Scrapbookers, this is Megan, and I am back today with my second layout of the day. For this process video, I am going to use 3 photos from Christmas Eve 2017. We go to watch a movie every year on Christmas. Either Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, we go and watch a movie with the kids as a family. It's a tradition that my dad actually started, and we continued it on with our kids. It's a little bit bittersweet though this year because our local theater is not open anymore. In fact, I think they are shutting down completely, which just really makes me very sad because Mark and I love going to movies together. So we're a little bit bummed, but oh well, what can you do? Anyway, so I have these 4x3 photos, or 3x4 photos, whatever you want to call them. And I wanted to use this firework paper. I think it's fireworks. I don't really know what it's supposed to be. I really liked the paper. So I'm going to glue it down to the stripe, the diagonal striped paper, and I'm just gonna have a little bit of an edge on the diagonal striped paper. So then I'm gonna bring in the gutted piece of the diagonal stripe, and I liked it as a mat, but I didn't want to use it for all of the photos. I thought it would be too overwhelming with the border as well as like a mat on the photos. And so I'm just going to mat this one photo that is the opposite direction of the other 2. And I'm going to turn it into a banner. And I really like how that turned out. I don't know how you are, but I like all of my photos on one layout to be going the same direction. So when I have 2 photos that are the same and then a third photo that's a different size or going a different way, I have to do something different to make them all work together. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes sense. So I really like how this looks, but I know that I need to mat the other 2 photos or to do something behind all 3 of these photos. So I brought in this scrap piece of paper and I thought, okay, I will just mat the 2 photos on this peppermint stick piece of paper. So I'm going to glue them down and then I'm going to cut it up, and then I'm going to decide, nope, I don't like it with just these 2 photos. But it's okay. It works out in the end. Because at first I was thinking I would just kind of put this banner with the photo on it next to it and it would be like just an adjoining little mat. Nope, I didn't like that. So I decided to just glue everything back together and pretend like I didn't cut it apart. Here I am using my pomegranate close to my heart ink to do some ink blending on the edges of all of these pieces of paper that I'm matting the photos on. And then I'm going to start gluing everything down after this. Now I'm going to start building my clusters. So you can see I have one that's going to be up here on the top left hand corner of the layout. And then I am trying to figure out where else I want to do some clustering. So I pull off this all is bright sticker and I put it down there in the bottom right hand corner. And then I'm just going to build a nice little cluster around it. There's going to be 2 peppermints and then a holly bush, or a little holly leaf thing. And then I'm going to start adding some stickers to this top left of the photos, and then I think this is where I glue it all down because I didn't want to start going too crazy with the embellishing without gluing it down. Now I'm pulling off a few stickers and I'm placing them in the middle of the layout, I don't really like it though, so I am going to change it up a little bit. The red one that says Holly and Jolly, I'm going to move that one to the top left-hand cluster. And then the one that says Joy, I'm just going to move it up a little bit on the layout. Now that I'm looking at it, I kind of don't really like where I moved it, so I might move it back. Who knows? I've already taken the photos though, so you won't see it either way. So now here you can see I am adding in one of the upgrade kit phrases. So this says good times, and it was a little sticker that came in the upgrade kit. I'm also adding this documented banner up there at the top, and I think that is all. I don't do any journaling on this layout, which is totally fine because I have other layouts and pocket pages that go along with this, and I do all my journaling on there. Here you can see I am using the alpha that came in the upgrade kit for this month. And I'm just spelling out the words theater selfies. I should have probably named it theater ussies, but I just hate the word ussies. It's so dumb. I've gotten used to selfies, but yeah, ussies just sounds so silly. Anyway, that is it for this layout. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out all my links below. If you want to get your hands on this amazing kit this month, use my link and you will help me out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.